Namaskar, I'm Shyamalesina. Welcome to Foodie. Today we got some fresh Shorputi Mach. So today I'm making Shorshe Bata Diye Shorpunti Mach. Let's get started. Today I'm making the recipe with Shorputi Mach, but if you don't get Shorputi Mach, you can use tilapia fish or similar kind of fish.
Here I have washed and cleaned Shorputi Mach. Rub the fish with salt and turmeric powder. Keep them aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I'm using a coffee grinder. Add in this brown or yellow mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Add in salt to taste and coarsely grind them. Now this ratio always works for me to reduce the bitterness of black mustard seeds. Then transfer the powder in a bowl and add a couple tablespoons of warm water to make a thick paste. And then add a little bit of sugar and turmeric powder in the paste. Next, in a small grinder, add in green chillies and make a paste. Add this chili paste in the mustard paste. Last but not the least, add a teaspoon of mustard oil and mix everything well. Alright, now here I have preheated some mustard oil. I have reduced the temperature to low and I'm adding the fish one by one in the hot oil and fry them in batches. Over medium heat, fry each side for a couple of minutes, maybe 3 to 4 minutes, but I like to fry my fish a little longer and then turn the other side and continue frying. Once both sides are done, remove from the oil and add the remaining fish and fry them too. Now I am frying my last batch of fish and I am adding back this remaining fried fish in the pan and adding the spice mix which we made earlier. Now add a cup of water and gently move the fishes. Try to merge them in the gravy and let the gravy come to a boil. When the gravy starts bubbling up, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover with a lid and let simmer until the gravy thickens up and the oil is floating on the top. At this point, if you want, you can add some sliced green chilies for extra heat and drizzle another teaspoon of mustard oil. Cover it and turn off the heat.
Hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and do let me know what you think about this recipe. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.